Welcome to Tech Cater. Today I'm gonna show you how to create custom fields in WordPress and then send it to Firebase. Okay, let's go. In order to create a new custom fields, you need to search for a plugins. So this is the one I use, Advanced Custom Fields. You can see that they have more than 2 million active installations. So let's try it out. I installed it and then I activate it. Okay, after that, you're gonna see a custom fields. The first thing you might want to do is create a few groups. Okay, so I'm name this one is um, maybe contacts. Okay, you can name it whatever you want, and then I'm gonna add a few. Okay, so the field label is maybe first name, and then the field name is it auto generated. You can decide what kind of like data it is. I'm gonna choose text for now, but you can pick another one like number, email, anything. And then I'm gonna add another field, um, last name, for example. Okay, and then I'm gonna keep the default settings, and then I'm gonna publish. Okay, so after I publish, I'm gonna have a custom fields for the post type post. So if you go to a post and then you edit it, you will see a field group, a custom field group named contact, and under contact field group, I have two fields, which is last name and first name. In order to save the post data and the custom field to Firebase, we need to do a few things first. The first thing that you need to do is to go to Firebase, and then under WordPress tab, you're gonna see the database type. So you have the option to save data to real-time or to Firestore database. And I'm gonna pick Firestore, and then I'm gonna choose to see the post data, and then I'm gonna save. You have option to add other kind of information. If you want to save users, type the name of the user collection or path into this one. Now I'm gonna go back to the post. You see that the mechanism of saving post data to Firebase is it will save by the post ID. The post ID will be treated as the document ID. So if I go to the Firebase, in Firestore, you're gonna have a collection name WP post. So the naming is auto generated, and the ID gonna be the post ID in WordPress. So let's test it out. First, I'm gonna type the name here, and then I'm gonna save it. And then let's go to, okay, you see that Firestore just create a new document with the ID 1, which is the ID of the post. And in this one, it has information of the author. So you can get it from Firestore and then show it on your web app or mobile, for example. This is the author information. And then inside this one, we just have the custom fields, which is first name and last name. And then together with the other default information. So I keep it generic. And you also have the taxonomy too. Cool. Let me try to delete one custom field and then see if it will be updated or not. Okay, let me delete my last name and then I'm gonna update it. So after I update the post data, you will see that the custom field being updated. And let me delete this one. And when you delete this one, it also delete the post data in Firestore. So the data flow is from WordPress to Firestore. Remember that this is one way. You cannot update Firestore. So now you know how to create a new post, add custom fields in WordPress, and then save it into Firebase. If you have any question, please let me know. Now I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye.